So today we're on a mission, going all the way to Riverview. Just picked up breakfast, as you saw. Now we got a long drive ahead. We got 2 cars to do today, both going to be just interior deep cleanings. We have a Ford Bronco and a Nissan Titan from my boy Justin, so let's get it. Can we take the time to appreciate this super fluffy croissant? Look at this. It's not cooked. So that was very unfortunate. I went back inside and let them know. They checked like 3 other croissants that were all raw, and so they gave me 2 bagels instead. I was like, 1 is fine. I'm not trying to steal your food. I just want to let you know that they're not cooked. And so she gave me 2 bagels instead. But in the meantime, I guess I can taste my breakfast sandwich. Then we can get on the road because I got some work to do. But you gotta fuel up because I typically will eat a decent breakfast, and if I'm gonna be busy more than 1 car or a significant job, I don't get hungry, so I just work through it, which is probably not good for me. It was worth it. It's delicious. Now let's go. We gotta drive. So something that happens almost every time I get a customer for a deep interior cleaning, they'll sit there and be like, oh, it's bad. It's really, really bad. It's almost like people forget that I signed up for this. Like, I'm providing you a service that you don't have the time or resources to do. But I honestly rather have that where somebody over exaggerates how dirty their car is inside versus their car being super dirty and they're saying, oh, it's not that bad. And then you get there's dog or pet hair everywhere. There's drinks and food hidden in places you can't even reach. So I guess it's a double-edged sword. We're about 80% done with the Bronco. Before I show you guys the final view, I still got to do the trunk, the mats, and then the passenger front, and that's it. So the biggest thing that I've actually noticed about my work and most of the stuff I do, like I take a lot of time, and sometimes I feel like I take too much time. I feel like the biggest thing is because I'm very thorough, because I don't want to cut corners if I'm giving a client my product, my work. So I know that I'm still new into the detailing world, and it's a matter of figuring out a better system, figuring out a better way to work and a faster way to work. But for now, I feel like I take a lot of time. Maybe it's normal to take several hours on an interior job. I think right now I'm at 3 hours as far as work time goes, so 2.5. I'm almost done, but I feel like it could be paced a little faster. I don't know. Y'all tell me.
So that's it for the Bronco. We're all done with that. We can start on the Nissan Titan and get some shots of that. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this video. If you have not yet, subscribe, like, share this video. Send it to your boys, send it to your buddies, your car friends, your detail friends, your families. Share it. So the Titan's done, the Bronco's done. Now it's time to wrap it up and go home. I'm tired. It took me close to 5 hours between both cars, or just over 5 hours, let's just say. Yeah, let's go home.